with another freaking video. And today I will be showing you how to use my body scrub. And the only reason why I'm showing you, or why I have to make a video about this, is because people order from me and then email me and ask me how do they use the body scrub. I don't know, I'm guessing because it's a whipped body scrub. People think it's different than a regular body scrub, but you use it the same exact way. And even though the instructions do come with the scrub, and even though the instructions is on my website, they still email me and ask me. So I thought, what's the best way to show them? A visual. Okay. So I will be showing you how to use the body scrub in the shower naked. Y'all ready? No, I'm just playing. I won't be naked, but I will be showing you how to use the body scrub or whatever. And before I get into this video, I would like to say hello to all my new subscribers. And I know since yesterday, the subscribers is coming from Nicole TV, because she didn't really give me a shout out, but at the same time she gave me a shout out but not mentioning my name. So I let her know, you know, that was me that gave you the advice. Since she made that video and I left a comment on the page saying it was me, I have gained like 20 subscribers. So I wanted to say hello to y'all and thank you, Nicole TV, for that almost shout out. But yes, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as y'all can see, I am in the shower, and I got these little, I don't know what you want to call these, leggings on. And so here is my body scrub. Yes, I do use my body scrubs. I don't know if y'all can see it. This is the Z's Mango Cocoa, and I'm about to show you how I use my body scrub. First, you want to wet your body. So I'm going to wet my stomach and everything and show you how to use it. So I'm in the shower, right? You in the shower, right? You cut on your water. You cut on the shower. And you just wet your body. Now you can decide if you want to wash up first. Every time I wash up, I always wash up with a scrub towel. Like so. So you just wet your body. Cut off the water. Grab the little scrub. And then just scrub your body. Now, as you can see, it's like gets soapy, foamy, or whatever, because it's not only a body scrub, it also cleans your body at the same time. So this is best to use like after, like you wash your body or whatever. And so all you do is just scrub your body, scrub any area, your legs, your arms, your chest, your back, or whatever. And then that is really it. You see? You can grab more if you want to. You can grab whatever. Like I said, use it on whatever part of your body besides your face. Do not put this on your face. So all you want to do is just keep rubbing in a circular motion. As so. Once you feel like you scrub the area real enough, you want to turn back on the water and then wash off. Like so, and it comes right off. It doesn't give you a sticky feeling or anything, but it does make you smell really freaking good. Just wash it off, and that's it, you guys. That is really it. That is really all you do. You just and then you get out the shower and you dry off, and then all you want to do is just get out the tub and then just dry off, and that's all you have to do. Now once you get out the tub, well, once I get out the tub, all I do is just use my body butter, as you can see, and it's almost gone. So as you can see, I do use my own products. I don't like using a lot of products with a lot of chemicals in it. Like, if I can avoid putting a lot of chemicals on my skin, I will avoid it. But if you haven't checked out like all the products I sell, you can head over to www.embraceheritage.com, and you can check out all my body scrubs, my whipped body butter, my bath bombs, and my lip glosses. And everything is homemade. So I'm out of breath, Lord Jesus. But anyways, peace out until next time.